Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the Jump Up nozzle on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's broken, damaged, or missing, and your dishes aren't being cleaned properly. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our dishwasher door here, and we'll slide out our bottom rack and set that off to the side. Now we'll unscrew the spray arm cap right here. And take that out. So this piece right here is our Jump Up nozzle, and all we have to do is lift it up and take it out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement nozzle. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And you can just set your nozzle right inside that hole there, and it'll sit just like that. And now we can put our bottom rack back inside, slide that in, and then close up the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.